Hi, welcome to another TD Engine video, and today we're going to be talking about alerts and notifications, how exactly you can get them, what they'll look like in an email, and what to do to configure them. Let's start with how an alert looks. Go ahead and create your first analysis within TD Engine. I already have one created, but if not, we have videos showing you how to do so, which will walk you directly through the process of doing that. Once you've done that, the easiest way to get started is to activate one of these analysis. Go ahead and do resume, hit confirm, and then we will refresh. And now it's running. So how do I know when I get an event notification? On the screen, you should see an event notification on the right. It'll show you a start time and an end time, as well as a severity. You can view your events right over here. So all of these events are viewable right here. Now you may ask, what does that look like in an email? You can send a notification here to get a test of what that looks like. Let's go check this out in my email. This is what that's going to look like. As you can see, there's a notification about my wellhead tubing pressure, and it tells me what element path it's a part of, the corresponding analysis, the start time and the end time, the ACK if it's required, and the severity. I can also just click on the URL directly within my email. Now, if I go back, how do I configure this? And before I configure, let's pause so we don't have a bunch of notifications popping up. So we're going to pause. In the events section, you can go to the notification rule. In this section, you can edit exactly who gets the notification. Here, I can give a title for the notification, pick a contact point, pick an escalation contact point, which I can add as me. And I can pick a resend interval and an escalation interval. I can even customize my max resend count, as well as pick the event template that it's a part of. And I can change the warning code as well. Okay, that looks good. Let's go ahead and hit save. Now, the preview message, you can always take a look to see what it looks like, and you can always adjust what that message looks like. And you can even test by sending a message. How cool is that? Now, going into libraries, you can also adjust this on a template level basis. For example, for this water meter, I go to my notification rule, I can edit this and adjust things like the contact point, the escalation contact point, just like before. It's very easy to get that going, and it's super simple to get this up and running for you. And that's how you'll configure events and alerts within TD Engine. Thank you.